Okay, so we're on our way to doing the small parts. This is part number 1, and can't remember where they go, but we're going to build them and then figure that out when we put the assembly together. So here it is. This is part number 1. Fairly straightforward. Looks like we're going to draw a box, 1/8 of an inch wide, a ½ inch tall, with a extended piece here of the difference between 0.5 and 0.625. So that's going to be 1.5, right? We're going to come up here like that. We'll come out this way for the full distance. Then we'll do a radius of this 0.193. Because it's an odd radius, and I don't think the length here is 0.193 on either one of those, we're going to have to use our trick that we learned in the last bit with the stacks. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead and go from the front this time. Oops, I did the side there, the angle. That's weird. All right, I'm going to zoom in a little bit, make a box. And this was 0.125 wide by 0.5 tall. Let's zoom in a little more. Now we're coming out this way according to the instructions or the drawing, 0.075. And then we'll go high. The difference was 0.15. Add that to 0.5, we get the 6.5. Okay, there we get the whole thing. Now we're going to do a radius here of 193. That's 0.193. So if I take 0.193 on my handy dandy calculator, times it by 2, I get 386. So we're going to do radius. No, we're not going to do diameters of 0.386 3 times. Once there, there. And then again, this is going to be a concave, so we're going to come down here. Be careful that we don't choose this one here. Make sure you're doing the intersections of the circles. 0.386. And then let's clean up. Make it look nice. Get rid of all of these extra lines that we don't need. I'll zoom out a little bit here. Get rid of these guys. Zoom in here. Get rid of this one and that one. Pretty straightforward. Looks like we got all of our pieces. We're going to clean that one up too, so it makes the top here. We'll go ahead and finish the sketch. Use revolve using this axis. Click OK. There we go. That is it. Small part number 1.